Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today I'm going to teach you how to do numbering in engineering drawing. So basically the main numbers are from 0 to 9. So I'm going to teach you how to do the vertical numbering. So first we'll draw the lines. Let's see, the distance between each line as usual will be 0.5 centimeter. So the height will be 10 millimeter. That is 1 centimeter. The height completely is 1 centimeter. That's 10 millimeter, and the distance between the two lines is 5 millimeter or 0.5 centimeter. So we'll draw the vertical guidelines. So from here is 90 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let me bring it closer. There's no need to measure the width. There's no need to measure the space between each numbers. But if you want to measure it, you can measure it. But there's no need really. Unless you are doing multiple. So everything will be aligned. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 with that 0. So now I'll start with 0. 0 is like this. So that's 0. Then 1, number 1. Then number 2 is number 2. Then number 3 is number 3. And 4 is 4. Then 5. Then 6. Then 7. Then 8. Then finally 9. So this is vertical numbering from 0 to 9. I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email it in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.